Welcome back to the Wildwood Honeybee Farms YouTube channel. My name is Grayson, and today we are going to be continuing on our series for beginner beekeepers. There's a lot of beginner beekeepers out there who may be wondering how bees make honey, how bees communicate, which we already did a video on. So today we're going to be talking about how bees make honey and everything you need to know. So let's go on and get into the video and hope you enjoy. These incredible female bees are responsible for every part of the honey making process, from foraging to processing nectar, to maintaining the perfect environment for honey storage. It's truly a collective effort. The journey begins with foraging as worker bees venture out from the colony in search of flowers. They use their sharp sense of smell and ability to see ultraviolet light to locate nectar-rich blossoms. Once they find a suitable flower, the real work begins. Bees collect nectar using their long, straw-like tongues called proboscises and store it in a special organ called the honey stomach, also known as the crop. This honey stomach is separate from the digestive stomach and designed only to carry nectar back to the colony. But the magic starts before they even get home. While the nectar is in the honey stomach, enzymes in the bee's saliva begin breaking down complex sugars into simpler ones, like glucose and fructose. This critical process helps preserve the nectar and makes it suitable for long-term storage. Once the forager bee's stomach is full, she heads back to the colony. Amazingly, a bee can carry nearly half her body weight in nectar during a single trip. It's a remarkable feat of strength and determination. When the bee returns to the colony, she doesn't deposit the nectar directly. Instead, she regurgitates it and passes it to another worker bee, known as a house bee. This transfer process adds more enzymes and breaks down the sugars even further, making it a true team effort. After being processed, the nectar is deposited into the wax cells of the honeycomb. However, it's not honey just yet. It's still way too watery for long-term storage. The next task is to reduce the water content, and this is where the bee's wings come into play. The bees fan their wings vigorously over the comb, creating airflow that will evaporate the excess water in the nectar. This process can take several hours, but it transforms the runny nectar into thick, rich honey. Only when the honey reaches about 18% water content, it is ready for storage. Once the honey reaches the perfect consistency, the bees will seal the wax cells with a thin layer of beeswax. This acts as a protective lid, keeping the honey safe from air and moisture, so it can be stored indefinitely. Honey is the colony's primary food source, especially during winter or when flowers are scarce. It's packed with energy and nutrients, ensuring the survival of the hive even during harsh conditions. A single worker bee produces only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in her entire lifetime. It takes thousands of bees and millions of flower visits to make just one jar of honey. Think about that next time you drizzle honey on your toast or into your tea. Honeybees use a special waggle dance to communicate where to find flowers. This dance provides precise information about the direction and distance to a nectar source. The hive itself is also a marvel of engineering, with hexagonal wax cells that are both strong and space efficient. From foraging to processing to sealing the honeycomb, every step of this process showcases the bee's incredible teamwork and integrity. So the next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, remember the amazing journey it took to get to you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope y'all learned some valuable information. Before y'all check out of this video, please go on and click the thumbs up button. It would really help me out a lot. And go on and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Thank y'all for watching. Stay blessed, and we'll see y'all in the next beekeeping video.